Welcome to AppSec Contradictions, a 7-part video series presented by Sean Martin. The goal: to explore the gaps between promise and reality in application security. In Part 4, we'll cover a contradiction that's quietly undermining even the best AppSec programs. We keep securing the destination, but we're ignoring the road that gets us there. We spend millions protecting running applications, yet attackers know the real opportunity is upstream. They're hijacking pipelines, stealing credentials, and corrupting builds long before code ever reaches production. Today, the pipeline itself has become the blast radius. Malicious open-source packages are exploding. According to Sonatype, there's been a 188% surge in weaponized packages. More than 845,000 infected components discovered across NPM, WebPyPI, and other ecosystems. And half of them were built not to exploit servers, but to steal developer and CI/CD credentials. The problem isn't just code, it's culture and readiness. ENISA found that 47% of organizations can't assess supplier or pipeline security posture, and only 27% continuously monitor their build systems. Meanwhile, the Financial Times reports that 30% of 8,000 cyber attacks in 2024 were traced to suppliers, with supply chain breaches doubling year over year. The risk is no longer theoretical, it's operational. Compliance frameworks are spreading, but real risk reduction isn't. Developers are targeted through poisoned dependencies and token theft. AppSec teams struggle to validate build integrity in opaque pipelines. And business leaders face a doubling of supplier-driven breach rates. Even government agencies have taken notice. CISA, the U.S. agency responsible for national cyber resilience, now designates build systems as high-value targets, warning that supply chain integrity must be proven before code ships, not after it's deployed. The message is clear: transparency without integration does nothing. Here's Sean's take on what has to change. First, the pipeline is production. If you can't trust what builds your software, you can't trust what runs in production. Second, integrity beats visibility. All the dashboards in the world don't matter if attackers can inject code upstream. Third, security must flow through delivery. Protection has to travel with the code, from the developer's laptop to deployment. It's time to rethink where security really starts. For a deeper dive into this contradiction, read the full companion article in the Future of Cybersecurity newsletter, and subscribe to follow the rest of this series. And to stay ahead on these conversations, subscribe to the Future of Cybersecurity newsletter, where the remaining AppSec Contradictions episodes and more perspectives on the future of security and business will be shared.